guys, we're here at Lowe's and Prepsteader Bob is going to show me how we can get some free lumber, possibly.
We're gonna go around and look around the outside and see if there's any dunnage or cull material, stuff that they pull out of the piles, and they'll either give it to you or sell it for dirt cheap, and see if we can't use that to make some raised beds for free or close to free. How's that sound?
Oh my god, that sounds amazing.
Let's have fun.
All right.
Alright, we're at Lowe's. We found a cull pile. It's about $400 worth of materials. They want $150 for it. That's way too much. We can talk to the pro desk, and I'm sure we can get it down to like 25, 30, 40, 50 bucks, but that pile really doesn't have what we want in it, so we're going to pass on this one. But that's how you do it. Go around the building, look, see if there's anything they're throwing away, and then also look for a cull pile. Go in and talk to the pro desk, tell them you're doing a special project. Smile real pretty, and chances are they'll give you a big discount.
I love flowers. All right guys, so you saw that we went to the compost site and got compost for pretty cheap. But if you don't have a compost site in your area, you can always come to Lowe's and look for these bags that are ripped. They usually give them at a discounted price. About, last time I got them for 50%, so usually it's about 50% of the regular price. So if you can't do that, or do the compost, come to Lowe's and get your dirt 50% off.
What we found is what?
Bamboo.
Bamboo. And so what we're going to do is, this is awesome because A, it's free.
Yes.
B, it's bamboo. So what we're going to do is cut down some stalks, take those back, strip the leaves for the green part, and then you can end up with the bamboo stalks and make stuff for your garden.
Yeah.
That sound like fun?
Oh, like trellises and stuff?
Trellises, arbors, use stuff for your climbing green beans, all that stuff. So it's all free material.
Yay! I had no idea that bamboo grew here.
Yeah. Awesome. Learn something every day.
I know, right? Thanks for watching, guys.